we are here. This should be the one. Yep. Has the keys in there. He has, I don't even know if that's working. And 2 that he needs me to program. Okay, let's get started. Take out the programmer. I was away for 6 days doing some cool things with Covert Instruments, and then we were doing our quarterly review. Ever since I came home, it's been nothing but craziness. Busy jobs. Yep, already knows. We're gonna read the pin code. Program blank key. Watch this. Ready? These are the best. Alright. Procedure complete. Watch. I love this programmer, dude. They are my favorite